Your ID adapts to suit you. Depending on the equipment, you can adjust your seat manually, or as in this case, electrically, and save the position. A back massage makes a good seating position even more comfortable. If your ID is equipped with electric seats, you can use the comfortable massage function. You can also adjust the steering wheel position in height and in depth. To adjust your exterior mirrors, use the rotary knob in the driver's door. That way, you'll have a good view of the traffic behind you. You can also personalize various features via the infotainment menu. For example, under Background, you can choose your favorite light theme. Or under Sound, you can personalize your sound settings. Just try out all the settings to see what you prefer. That's how it's becoming more and more your ID. All your settings will automatically be saved in your user profile.
Volkswagen.